video, we'll be discussing 7 simple remedies for insomnia. If you're having trouble falling asleep or staying asleep at night, these tips may help you get the restful night's sleep you've been craving. First up, try to stick to a sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve your sleep quality. Next, make sure your bedroom is a sleep-conducive environment. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in comfortable bedding, a good mattress, and pillows. It's also important to limit your exposure to electronic devices, especially in bed. The blue light from screens can disrupt your sleep patterns and make it harder to fall asleep. Avoid caffeine and alcohol, especially in the evening, as they can interfere with your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Practicing relaxation techniques like deep breathing, meditation, or progressive muscle relaxation can also help calm your mind and prepare your body for sleep. Regular exercise can also help improve your sleep quality, but try to avoid exercising too close to bedtime. Finally, consider natural remedies like chamomile tea, valerian root, or melatonin supplements to help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. Remember, if you're experiencing persistent or severe insomnia, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation and treatment plan. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily Fact Style for more informative and entertaining videos.